Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have a shipping service restricting the dimensions of boxes it's going to ship. We have boxes shaped like rectangular prisms where the perimeter of the box and the height of the box added together cannot exceed 130 inches. They have to be less than or equal to 130 inches. We're told that the box has a height of 60 inches. So the perimeter plus 60 has to be less than or equal to 130. Therefore, if we subtract 60 from both sides, we find that the perimeter must be less than or equal to 130 minus 60, because these cancel, which means it has to be less than or equal to 70. So we're told that the length is 2 times the width. So we have a rectangular prism, so the perimeter of the base is going to be the length times the width, the length plus the width plus the length plus the width. So 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, and this has to be less than or equal to 70. We're told that the length is 2.5 times the width. So if we plug 2.5 times the width into this equation where we have the length, we have 2 times the length, so 2.5 times the width, plus 2 times the width, we don't actually need this outer parentheses, is less than or equal to 70. 2 times 2.5 is 5w, plus 2w is less than 70. 5w plus 2w is 7w, is less than or equal to 70. And then dividing both sides by 7, these cancel out and we get w is less than or equal to 70 divided by 7, which is 10. So which of these equations or inequalities is this lining up with? Well, we have x is less than or equal to 10 here, and it's not anywhere else. So we know a is our only option, but where is this 0 coming from? Well, the width is a physical distance, which means it can't be a negative, right? You can't have a negative length on a box, and it can't be 0 because the box has to actually exist. It has to have a length. So therefore, the width is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 10, and A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.